Guys, I just want to say that I thought Subway always had ceiling fans. I thought that Subway just always had ceiling fans and it wasn't normal for them to have no ceiling fans. But I guess there's these newer looking Subways that are not having the ceiling fans anymore. It's like they're just making a new model of the subway. Like the older models of the subways always had ceiling fans in my experience. Like I've always seen subway ceiling fans at Subway, but until these two subways that did not have ceiling fans, I just wanted to let you guys know that, and that's kind of surprising. Because I've always seen or remembered Subway having ceiling fans, or at least that's what I thought. But I just took a picture of these two subways without ceiling fans,